Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of obtaining DMAC codes. First, locate the application of FileMaker Pro. Once you've found it, simply double-click to open the program. After the window opens, you'll see three different options on the left side. Currently, the window is displaying the recent files used in FileMaker Pro. When the window opens, you might see this screen, depending on the last time you accessed FileMaker Pro. Whatever screen appears, don't worry. What matters is selecting File from the menu. Scroll down to the Hosts section and select Show Hosts. A new window will appear. Click the plus button. In the host's internet address field, you will type the name of the host address. Enter iris.extra.us.net in the host's internet address field. Check the box labeled Always Permit Connection to this host. After selecting the checkbox, click Connect. Locate the icon named DMAC Codes and double-click on it. For account name, enter data entry in lowercase. For password, enter data entry in lowercase and either press Enter or click Sign In. You will be directed to a page where you will see header names and a list of all DMAC codes. On the right side, you will find filters to search by specific categories, such as availability, subject, grade, assigned to, and assessment type. Below the filters, you will see the number of records. In this case, all records are included in the database. To search for specific DMAC codes, start from the top filter options. Click on the drop-down arrow and select an option, for example, Yes/No. If you select options that do not match any records, such as choosing 5th grade and Clack Middle School, CMS, a message window will appear stating, "No records were found with this criteria." Observe that the number of records will display 0 found of 81,572 records. Click OK on the message window. Click OK on the message window to continue your search. After clicking OK, notice that the system will return to the previously found records based on your last selection. When you select an option that returns eligible records, such as Borchers Elementary, CBES, you will see a list of available records. In this example, you can click the Revert button to clear the specific field and view the remaining records based on other selections. If you need a code and have searched by subject, grade, assigned to, and/or assessment type, you can enter any description for this particular code. Under assessment type, you can either select an option from the drop-down menu or type a different name. Once you have entered or selected a description and assessment type, the status under Available will change from Yes to No, indicating that this code is no longer available for others to use. If you realize that the selected grade level or campus is incorrect, you can delete the description and assessment type to revert the code to its available status. Last but not least, among the buttons available on the database, you will find Clear All. Clicking this button will remove all applied filters and revert the view to display all records in the database. After clicking Clear All records in the database will be visible. Congratulations on completing the DMAC codes tutorial. Thank you for your attention. We hope this training was helpful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact the Student Assessment/Accountability Department. That's all, folks.